This 2022 Sunset Park RV Rush 24FB is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Delaware, Ohio, 43015 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Columbus. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Sunset Park RV is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.